10 amazing health benefits of eggs. Eggs are pretty tough to beat when it comes to helping meet your daily nutritional requirements. They are loaded with nutrients and contain powerful brain nutrients that many people are deficient in. Here are 10 amazing health benefits of eggs. 1. Eggs are full of nutrients. A large egg contains roughly 78 calories, 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, 0.6 carbohydrates and 186.5 milligrams of cholesterol. Eggs also contain useful amounts of vitamins A, D, E, B5, B12, as well as choline, a nutrient essential in many steps of metabolism and aids in the transport of lipids. Choline deficiency can cause abnormal deposition of fat in the liver and muscle damage. 2. Promote eye health. Egg yolks are significant sources of retinol, lutein and zeaxanthin, which have been found to reduce the risk of eye diseases like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Eggs are also high in vitamin A, vitamin E and selenium, which is beneficial for eye health. 3. Raise good cholesterol. Eating eggs is a great way to increase HDL, high-density lipoprotein, which is commonly known as good cholesterol. In one study, eating 1 to 3 eggs per day for 4 weeks increased HDL levels by 6 to 13%. People who have higher levels of HDL usually have a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, stroke and various health problems. 4. Lower triglycerides. Omega-3 enriched and pastured eggs are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce blood levels of triglycerides, which are a type of lipid fat in the blood. 5. Excellent quality protein. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, with one single large egg containing about 6 grams of protein. Proteins are the main building blocks of the human body, essential for the strength and repair of muscle and tissue. Eating enough protein can help with weight loss, lower blood pressure and increase muscle mass. 6. Promote bone health. Eggs are a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining optimum bone health and calcium absorption. 7. Promote healthy hair and nails. Eggs have a high sulfur content and a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. Many people find their hair and nails growing faster after adding eggs to their diet. 8. Promote brain health. Eggs are a good source of choline, a nutrient that most people don't even know exists. Choline is an important nutrient that helps regulate the brain, cardiovascular system and nervous system. 9. Excellent source of iron. Eating egg yolks is an excellent way to get a good amount of iron. The iron in egg yolk is in the form of heme iron, the most readily absorbable and usable form of iron found in food. Iron is an important mineral that helps maintain healthy blood. 10. Good for pregnancy. Adding eggs to your diet is a great way to boost your folate intake. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is a water-soluble vitamin that reduces the risk of birth defects. Pregnant women should consume eggs regularly. However, make sure they are completely cooked. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.